Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an unexpected store exception error on your Windows computer. So very likely it's a blue screen error you're getting here with the sad smiley face. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in PowerShell. Best result should go back to Windows PowerShell here. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I'm going to have a command in the description of my video. It starts with get and then -AppXPackage. Go ahead and copy that and then go up to the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window here. Right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. This will take a minute or so to run, so just be patient. Okay, so once you have a blinking cursor, that means you're done. Don't mind there's a little bit of red here. There is going to be some red. It's not that big of a deal. What needed to run did run, so pretty straightforward process. You would restart your computer at this point, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.